What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I personally do to get ranked on that first page of Amazon. So when I sell products on Amazon, the first thing I always want to make sure is that, can I get this product ranked on the first page? What I like to do is make sure to see if the product that I'm selling is not so competitive, first of all, and then that it has a decent amount of search volume. So those type of two things take into a lot of consideration when it comes to ranking your product on the first page. But I'm going to show you guys some tools that I personally use on all of my products to make sure that I get it ranked on the first page. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. This channel is all about making money online, finance, everything involved with that. I sell full-time on Amazon. It's how I'm able to make a full-time living. And honestly, it's really worth it, but it takes time to learn the whole process. So let's get started. It's October. I even got my little decor. Picked this little guy up from Trader Joe's. And what that means is the holidays are right around the corner, November, December, which means it's the most sales you'll get on Amazon. Honestly, November, December I make probably 25 to 30% of my sales those 2 months. So when it comes to selling on Amazon, this is exactly what I do when it comes to ranking on the first page. So in front of me here, I have Helium 10, and Helium 10 is a tool that I personally use to scale my Amazon business. Without this tool, I personally wouldn't know all the little details and tips of exactly what I need to do to get ranked on the first page. If you want Helium 10, it is a paid software, but I highly recommend it if you're trying to take Amazon serious, make some full-time income. I'm gonna have it in the link down below. I really recommend Helium 10. I've tried Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and Helium 10 seems to be the most accurate one when it comes to scaling your Amazon business. So in front of me here, you see that I've been selling on Amazon for quite some time, and I just want to show you guys, like yesterday's profit, I made about $3,000. I did a huge promo. So yeah, I liquidated a bunch of products. I sold 6,000 units the other day, just liquidating it. I did not mind about it because it's just been sitting there. I don't want paying the storage fees or anything like that. So I did do this in the past 7 days, 6,000, but I make that road back really fast, especially with like yesterday's sales and stuff like that. So as of this year, every year my Amazon business increases about 50 to 100%. And that's because I make sure profit margin for all the products that I'm making is over 35%. Right now, it's a little bit lower because I did this huge giveaway, like I mentioned, but it's usually always over 35%. So I'm going to show you guys, as of this year, the sales over $1 million in sales. If you're learning from somebody that's teaching on Amazon, make sure that they're actually selling full-time on Amazon. There's a bunch of fake gurus out there. So let's say we want to rank on the first page. What I like to do is go to Cerebro. Once you have Helium 10, you're going to go here and you're going to type in either your ASIN or the competitor's ASIN. Let me log in Amazon really quickly. Let me show you guys. Like let's say this one, eyelash extension glue. I like to use this example in all of my videos because this one falls under all the categories I like when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's small and light. It has a good high profit margin, and honestly, you know, it's a low competition field that has decent high search volume. You can see in the last 30 days, they've sold over 6,000 units. You could probably get this product for around $2 or $3. And yeah, I really like this niche that they're in. So let's say, how are we going to get ranked on the first page? When it comes to ranking on Amazon, there are a bunch of little metrics that help rank you on Amazon. But the number one thing you need to focus on is sales. If you have sales and a good listing that is optimized with a bunch of great keywords like this, sales is the number one thing that's going to get you ranked on the first page. So it depends on what keywords you're trying to rank for. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that. But sales is the number one thing that's going to get ranked on the first page. Once Amazon sees that you're getting a lot of sales, they're going to be like, okay, a lot of people like this product, so let's show it to more people and more people. And that is how it works. Especially with sponsored ads, if you get a lot of sales, you get ranked on sponsored ads on like the first spot. I've noticed that with all of my listings. if I do like some giveaways and like some nice product launches and I get a lot of sales, I pay very, very cheap for sponsored ads. So let's say we wanted to sell this, right? Or let's say this is our product or our competitor's product, right? So you're gonna get the ASIN. The ASIN is always on the URL after VP/, or you can go scroll down to the bottom here, and they also have the ASIN. You could just put Control F, type in ASIN. You're gonna see the ASIN here. It's in the bottom. You're just gonna copy this really quick. You're gonna go back to Cerebro and paste it in, and you're gonna get keywords, right? Run a new search, and now it's gonna give you a bunch of the keywords that they're ranked for. It's gonna show the search volume that they have, the CPR, which is a thing that I really like to look at. But we're gonna put a little bit of quick filters here just to help you guys out. So I like to put minimum 1,000 searches. Let's put 200,000 searches. Here, right here, that's 200,000. Let's put 1 to 10. Let's try to see what this gives us here. Let's click apply filters. Okay, that's perfect. So it gave us 8 of the main keywords that customers are searching when it comes to this product. These are the main keywords that they're searching for, right? So these are really what you're better try to rank for when it comes to selling a product like this. You can just put these filters here, and you can really see what are the main keywords that they're trying to search for. So let's put it from high to low. So eyelash extension glue, people are searching 16,000 times daily for eyelash extension glue. You can click on this little chart here, and it can show you how much daily they're searching for in the past 30 days. You can see on average, it's around 10,000, sometimes 16 on 90 days, about around that same period. It does change sometimes, like lash extension glue might be a little bit higher in like a couple months and stuff like that. So you want to really focus on getting these 2 keywords ranked, and maybe this one, right? So how are you going to do that? So you want to go to the right here, and you want to look at CPR. CPR is the number of units you're going to have to try to sell for the next 8 days to get ranked on the first spot, or like the top 5 spots. To get ranked on the first spot, you need to sell 51 units, and what people need to do is search up eyelash extension glue, click on your product, and buy your product. What that does when they type it in on the Amazon search bar and they buy your product is it ranks it for that keyword. It does also help with other rankings, but it puts a lot of focus and a lot of, the ranking on that main keyword. So you need to do 51 sales for the next 8 days. So 51 sales first day, 51 sales the next day, all the way up to 8 days. That is going to get you helped and ranked on the first page of Amazon, the top spot. And how can you do this? Because you might have a question of like, that's a lot of sales. Honestly, it is a lot of sales, but what's good about like 51 units is that this product, like I mentioned before, is actually making over 6,000 sales in 30 days. And this one product makes over $1 million in profit in 1 year. Just this one product. I show you guys in my full channel. I tell all my students, especially like, you want to get involved in a niche. Like this person is selling eyelash extension glue, something very random, but they're making over $1 million every year selling something so random and something very niche. That's what you want to try to get into when it comes to selling on Amazon. So they're making a lot of money. 51 units is not that hard. If it's something over 100, then okay, it's going to be a bit hard to do. But 51 units, what I would personally do is really focused on Amazon advertising though, and target that exact keyword, eyelash extension glue. Put a lot of money into it if you have to. Really go aggressive on that main keyword. And you could also, do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, things like that. I teach you guys exactly how to do that. I have a free course for you guys. I'm also going to have it in the link down below. Free course, nothing is needed. You can literally start learning in 5 minutes from now. I have a bunch of basic knowledge and teach you guys how to do a lot of things And I also have a more advanced course. I do charge for it, but I don't charge like a crazy amount like all these people are doing. I'm doing it monthly. That way it's more affordable for people, and you know, they can just finish it in 1 month if they're really serious about it. It's, you know, it's a win-win for everybody. So that is mainly how you do it, right? This has 13,000 reviews. It does not help it rank. It gives it credibility, but that's not what helps it get ranked on the first page. It's sales. But of course, reviews, having great reviews, having reviews in the pictures, picture reviews, video reviews, when somebody's gonna see your listing, that's gonna make a big difference. So make sure you have great reviews on your product, have a bunch of picture reviews, video reviews. All that really helps your sales on Amazon. So if you have any questions related to this, leave them in the comments down below. Also, make sure to subscribe, like this video if you can, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.